Hey there, Rich Tabor here, core contributor on the WordPress project, bringing you what's new in WordPress 6.3. 6.3 is absolutely packed with new features and loads of enhancements to help you publish faster with WordPress. So let's dive right in on what's new with WordPress 6.3. Navigate and command WordPress from your keyboard with the new WordPress command palette. To run a command, use the Command K or Control K keyboard shortcut. You can switch templates, open pages, toggle settings, change views, and more. Next, create, view, and manage patterns and template parts right in the WordPress site editor. You'll see all your patterns, including the newly minted synced patterns, as well as patterns bundled by your theme and any plugins. You can edit, rename, delete, and even duplicate patterns from this view. And every pattern here is available throughout your WordPress site. Next, you can now edit pages in the site editor alongside templates. Switch from editing a page to editing a template when you want to make global changes to your site. Next, we have a new block. Show and hide content with the details block. Add a summary, then whatever block's inside. Perfect for spoiler alerts, FAQs, or anytime you want to expose content on selection. Next, WordPress 6.3 introduces synced patterns. That is, compositions of blocks that are synced together throughout your site. In the site editor, you can now create these synced patterns and add them to any page on the site. And when you make a change to one, those changes are applied everywhere the pattern is used. Next, explore and restore how your site looked on a specific day or time with style revisions. A recorded history of how your site has evolved over time. Next, there are these new detail views. Change high-level settings based on the template assigned to a page without having to leave the site editor. Like here on the blog template, where I'm setting how many posts to display on this page. Next, design with visual harmony using aspect ratio on image blocks. The ratios even persist when you change an image, maintaining structural design integrity altogether. Next, add convenient footnote annotations throughout your post. Use the block toolbar to create a footnote within a paragraph. The footnotes block is then appended to the end of the page and is instantly in sync with any number of footnotes. Next, the cover block now features extended layout controls for setting the width of blocks nested within the cover, improved duotone filters, and additional border width, color, and radius controls. The cover block is certainly one of the more expressive blocks in WordPress. Next, the top toolbar received a number of refinements. You can now turn on the top toolbar using the command palette, navigate and select parent blocks, and toggle additional tooling like the new title bar. And last, the list view has a much improved drag and drop experience, where it's easier to organize singular blocks into nested groups and then move those groups around. That's it, my highlights for what's new in WordPress 6.3. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on what part of this release is most interesting to you. See ya.